Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter number 11, solar radiation, heat balance and temperature. Solar radiation, heat balance and temperature. In this chapter we discuss about the air and we discuss about the solar radiation and the different distribution, uneven distribution of the temperature and the pressure, and the temperature on the earth surface found here in various the temperature, yeah, energy, the lot of energy on the earth is provided by the sun. Clear? And first of all, here the what is air? Here the stable the particles and the air. Then here the start the motion in air. Start here the motion in air, that is called the wind. Start with the motion in air, that is called the wind, and envelope of air is atmosphere. Here the around the earth, here the envelope of air, and this envelope of air is known as the atmosphere. Clear? The earth receives almost all of its energy from the sun. The main source of the energy on the earth is sun. The earth, yeah, the atmosphere of the earth, the surface of the earth receive the energy from the sun. From the sun, here the only one here the source, the sun is. The earth receives the all of its energy. Clear? And heat and the pressure, in the different part of the earth, here the different surface, the heat and the pressure found the different. The different, and many factors also responsible for here found the different heat and the different pressure on the earth surface. Now here we discuss about the solar radiation. What is here the solar radiation? First of all, we discuss about the what is solar radiation. Then here earth surface, this earth surface, and here the sun, and these waves, these radiation and these waves received by the earth, and these waves known as the solar radiation. And also we can call short waves. We can also call short waves and solar radiation. The solar radiation received by the earth, this radiation received by the earth known as the solar radiation and the short waves, and then here the reflect the waves on the from the earth surface, that is known as the long waves and the terrestrial waves. What is here? Then the sun, and here the radiation sun of the radiation of the sun known as the solar radiation or the short waves received by the earth surface. Then here the reflect this solar radiation in form of long waves, also known as the terrestrial radiation. And here the energy received by the earth, the total energy received by the earth from the sun is known as the insolation. Also called the solar radiation. What is here? The energy received by the sun. As termed as insolation. Also called receive solar radiation. The shape of the earth. About this. What is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is geode, not here the sphere. We can call here the shape of the earth is geode. Next here, on an average, the earth receive approx 1.94 calorie per square centimeter per minute. 1.94 calorie 1.94 calories per square centimeter per minute. 1.94 calorie 1.94 calories per square centimeter per minute at the top of its atmosphere. At the टॉप ऑफ इट्स एटमॉस्फेयर, एटमॉस्फेयर के जो टॉप पर है ना, और सरफेस का जो एटमॉस्फेयर का टॉप है वहां पे सोलर एनर्जी कितनी हमें रिसीव हो रही है, अप्रोक्स हियर 1.94 कैलोरीज पर स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर पर मिनट. एंड हियर द positions of the sun and earth, position of the sun and earth, then here the maximum distance between the sun and earth, the maximum distance between the sun and earth known as aphelion, known as aphelion. The time is 4 July, the time is 4 July, time is here the 4 July every year. Here the maximum distance between sun and earth, maximum distance between sun and earth, this known as the, this position known as the aphelion, maximum distance between sun and earth, maximum distance between sun and earth known as aphelion, 4 July. And here the distance between the sun and earth 152 million kilometer, 152 million kilometer, 152 million kilometer. And here the minimum distance between minimum distance between sun and moon, minimum distance between sun and earth, sorry, minimum distance between sun and earth, 3 January, 3 January, how much here, 147 million kilometer, 147 million kilometer. And the average distance between the sun and earth is 149 million kilometer, 149 million kilometer. Here the average distance of the sun and earth 149 million kilometer. And the maximum distance between the sun and earth, the position on 4 July 152 million kilometer. And here this position known as the aphelion, the minimum distance between the sun and earth known as the perihelion. The distance, total distance 147 million kilometer. And the time is 3 January, the time is 3 January, clear. And next topic here, the factors that cause these variation in insolation are, the different insolation या different energy received by the earth surface in the different part. So what is the factors? First is the rotation of earth on its axis, rotation of the earth on its axis. Thus earth moves rotate on its axis west to east, west to east. Then the front part of the sun, here the solar energy receive the maximum, and the backside part of the sun receive the low energy. The different here the differential variation found in the insolation on the surface. Then here the angle of inclination of the sun rays, then here the approx the vertical 90-degree angle, then sun then earth receive the lot of energy, then here the found inclination, then sun receive the low energy. Then length of the day, then length of the day is high, long day, then solar radiation, solar energy receive high, then day is the night is long, then solar energy receive low. Next, the transparency of the atmosphere and the configuration of the land in terms of its aspect, both are also affect the cause these variation in insolation. So here the earth surface in atmosphere, here different variation found to receive in the solar energy.